How to create a server on Discord. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can create a server on Discord. So in order to create a new server, let me show you what to do. So from here, you can see this plus icon right here onto your Discord screen. So this is a add server button that you will be clicking. Once you click here, you can see that you have some random templates. Like if want to create a gaming server, you can choose gaming, friends, study group, school club, local communities, artists, and creators. Or apart from that, if you want to create your own, simply click onto this create my own. Now, once you do this, you will like to choose the audience. So from here, you can set up your community. So if you want the group for only you and your friends, choose the first option. Or if you want a club or community, you can choose the second option. If you are unsure, you can simply skip this question as well. So I'm going to be choosing for me and my friends right now, and from here you can simply name your server. So currently it is my username server, which is want, so it says want server. And then you can simply also upload your image that you would like to have if you want to. But for now, I'll just simply click onto this create button, and now you can see that I have successfully created this particular server, that is want server. So that's how easily you can create a server in Discord. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.